Now we will demonstrate how to use Event File Auto Upload, an exclusive feature of Blackview Fleet Tracking. Blackview Fleet Tracking is a great way to add advanced tracking features to your Blackview cloud-compatible dashcam. Whether you're an individual user or a fleet manager, you can track up to 100 vehicles with just a dashcam and an internet connection in your vehicles. With Blackview Fleet Tracking, you can enjoy features like unlimited remote live view, 90-day GPS tracking history, geofencing, and more. Visit www.blackview.com/fleet-tracking to learn more. Although Blackview Fleet Tracking is geared towards fleet users, Event File Auto Upload is a helpful feature for any Blackview owner. To set up Event File Auto Upload, you will need a Blackview cloud-compatible dashcam with Substream support, a Blackview cloud account with a fleet plan, and an internet connection within range of the dashcam. We will assume that you have already registered your Blackview dashcam under your cloud account. If you need help to do this, check out our other tutorial videos. To activate your fleet plan, we will use the Blackview app. In the Blackview app's home screen, tap the menu icon and select Add Paid Features, then Fleet Plan. Select the number of dashcams you would like to use, then complete your purchase. You can toggle Event Auto Uploads on and off. Next, choose Live Stream. Live Stream, also referred to as Event Live Auto Upload, allows the dashcam to automatically save a live stream in real time to the cloud if the dashcam detects an impact or when the user creates a manual event. The live stream option is helpful for when you want to start streaming as soon as an event occurs. Note that live stream does not include buffered recording like regular event videos do. In addition, live stream requires you to choose either the front or the rear camera, but not both at the same time. By contrast, Event File Auto Upload uploads low-resolution copies of the buffered event files to the cloud. As a reminder, regular event files use buffered recording to include the 5 to 6 seconds leading up to the trigger. This way, if your vehicle is the target of a hit and run, the video will include the few seconds before the impact. To use Event File Auto Upload, choose the second option, Files in Low Resolution. Next, choose any Wi-Fi hotspot or garage Wi-Fi hotspot. Any Wi-Fi hotspot indicates that the dashcam will start uploading the event files to the cloud immediately after they are recorded. Garage Wi-Fi hotspot indicates that the dashcam will start uploading the event files as soon as it is connected to a hotspot that is specifically designated as a garage Wi-Fi hotspot. To designate a hotspot as a garage Wi-Fi hotspot, first, make sure your smartphone is connected to your Blackview dashcam's Wi-Fi network. Next, from the Blackview app's home screen, select Blackview Wi-Fi, then choose Settings, Firmware Settings, Cloud, and finally, Cloud Service Hotspot Settings. In this menu, you can register up to 3 Wi-Fi hotspots, each of which can be set as a garage Wi-Fi hotspot. Back at the Event Auto Upload Settings menu, you can choose which type of event files to be uploaded: normal driving mode events, parking mode events, or manual events. Finally, you can choose to upload footage from the front camera only, rear camera only, or both cameras. Once uploaded, the videos will be available in the Blackview Cloud menu. Tap a camera from the list, and then tap on Event Auto Upload to reveal the list of Event Auto Upload files. The files are kept in the cloud for 7 days if you use a paid subscription, and 2 days if you use a free plan. There is no limit to the number of files that can be uploaded to the cloud. You can download any important file to your phone or computer for safekeeping. To learn more about Blackview dashcams and services, visit blackview.com. Thank you for watching.